Hi Stitchers, Soodle here. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add arms and legs to small amigurumi projects, like I did for this little avocado, part of my Avocaduo bundle that you can find in my shop. Let's get started. We need to leave a tail that's a lot longer than usual, 3 times as long as you want your finished arm or leg to be, plus about 4 inches. So I'm going to leave about a foot, just to be on the safe side. Make a slip knot like normal. And we're going to start out with the puff stitch that forms the hand or foot of your leg or arm. Okay, so chain 3. And we're going to work a puff stitch in the first chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into that first chain and pull up a loop. We'll do that 2 more times. Okay, so that was 3. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. But you need to hold on to this little piece of your working yarn right here when you pull through all these loops, because we're going to need it in a minute. Okay, so when you yarn over, hold on to this while you pull this working yarn through all the loops. Okay. Now we're going to use that. We'll put our hook into that little loop, yarn over, and then pull through both of these loops on our hook. And that is our puff stitch that forms the hand or foot. You can either puff it out towards you or away from you. So now we're ready to make the cord. It's really simple. It's just 2 yarn overs and then a yarn over both loops on your hook. So let's get started. With the tail, okay, this is that long tail that we left. We're going to yarn over from front to back. With the working yarn, we yarn over from back to front. And then pull the working yarn through both of these loops on your hook. Okay, tighten that up a little bit for the first one especially. And then we're just going to repeat that until it's as long as we want it to be. So let's do that really slowly. With the tail, that really long tail, we yarn over from front to back. Then with the working yarn, we yarn over from back to front. Then pull the working yarn through both loops on your hook. So it's a tail yarn over, working yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And we just keep on going. You can see how quickly that stitches up. So again, with your long tail, yarn over from front to back. With your working yarn, yarn over from back to front. With the working yarn, pull that through both loops on your hook. And that's how you make a crochet cord. So it is 2-sided. You have a sort of chain effect on this side and then a bumpier effect on the back. So if you're looking for, a round perfect cord, this is not the one for you. You would want an I-cord, more of a knitted look. But for these little amigurumi, I like this because it's still a very posable stitch. If you work it up pretty tightly, you can still mold and shape it even without using any wire. This is worked up in a worsted cotton yarn, so it has a lot of ability to be shaped. And it's so quick and simple. So once your arm or leg is as long as you want it to be, cut your working yarn. Pull it through the last loop, and then just use the 2 tails to tie it onto your project wherever you need a cute little arm or leg. So you can make anything leggy. I can't wait to see what you make. I hope you tag me in your projects on Ribbler, Ravelry, or Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy stitching!